YouTube is too saturated to grow. I will never grow. That's something that I hear every single day. You know, me personally, I'm in a lot of YouTube growth groups because I want to find out exactly what people are talking about. I want to know what's actually stopping majority of people from starting and growing their YouTube channel. And the majority of people say it's too saturated and they can't grow. They say, oh, I've been on YouTube for 6 months and I only got 50 subscribers. Can you guys please subscribe to me? First off, never ask anyone to subscribe to you in a forum, a public forum, because they're not your audience. They don't know you from anyone. So let's just give an example. You tell someone on a public forum, hey, I'm growing my YouTube channel. I'd really like to support you because, we're new YouTubers and we should supposed to support each other. All right, cool. That's fine. Then they click on your video and it's talking about, political news one day, and then the next day you're talking about how to grow a tree. The next day you're talking about Call of Duty, Mama, Baba, something else. They're going to be looking like, well, I don't even know what this dude is doing. And he's not really taking YouTube serious. Like, what people fail to realize about YouTube is a job. It's not a joke. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not something that's going to be super easy. YouTube is a job. Would you go to an employer and when that employer asks you, hey, why will we pick you opposed to picking someone else? And you come in there and say, well, dog, I'm a hard worker. I'm saying I show up every once in a while, but when I do show up, I'm saying I'll get it done. Who's going to hire you doing that? Nobody is going to hire you. So why should YouTube be any different? You guys, listen. When I started YouTube, I started a movie channel, and I figured, that's the niche that I wanted to go in because it was my passion, right? And I was posting once a week, once every 3 days, something like that. And I didn't grow for months. I started a gaming channel, and that gaming channel blew up. Now, what was the difference between the actual movie channel and the gaming channel? Well, the difference was I was posting every single day on the gaming channel. On the movie channel, I was posting once every 3 days or once a week. I was just taking it, willy-nilly. I wasn't taking it serious. And I was thinking in my head, like, man, this is not what I expected. Because when the pandemic hit, everyone freaked. Everybody wanted to be on YouTube. Everybody flocked over here and they just decided, hey, I'm going to be a YouTuber. Just because I see a whole bunch of people making money on it. So, hey, it must be easy, right? Wrong. Wasn't easy. And I couldn't figure it out. I couldn't figure out the formula. But now I did. And I'm going to give it to you in this video. The number one formula that you need to grow on YouTube is to post every single day. If you can't bring value to someone every single day, you might as well cut your channel and get off of YouTube, because it's not going to work, guys. You're going to be on YouTube 8 years later and still have 50 subscribers, 100 subscribers. If you go into different forums and tell people, hey man, subscribe to my channel, I like this, maybe we can help each other out and grow. I'm trying to get monetized. Why? Why would they subscribe to you? For one, they don't know you. For two, they have no idea what you're talking about. And for three, if you don't take your own channel seriously, why do you expect others to? You see, guys, on my channel, I used to be more, it's easy, it's this, it's that, hold your hand type. But that's not working. My goal for this channel is to get 1,000 people monetized. I want you guys to come back to this channel every single day and be like, you know what? He's right. I'm going to get off my butt and I'm going to get into this YouTube thing, because this is going to give me the opportunity to create financial freedom for myself. That's what I want, guys. I want you guys to get so much fire underneath you where you're like, you know what? He's right. I'm going to do it. Today's going to be the day that I do it. No more nice talk. No more holding your hand. None of that. It's time to get to work. And the way you get to work and the way you grow your YouTube channel is to post every single day and to bring value to someone's life. That's what you do, guys. I'm here to help you grow. I'm here to help you make money. I'm here to make you monetize so you can say, I did it. Instead of, oh, I've been on YouTube for 8 years and, only got 100 subscribers. What's wrong with my channel? Stop feeling sorry for yourself, because no one cares. And I know that's harsh to hear, and I know you guys aren't used to hearing this from me, But guys, listen to me. You can do it. You are in control of your own life. If I can do it, you can do it. If anyone else that has 1 million subscribers can do it, you can do it. You are the master of yourself. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Yes, will it take time? Of course, everything good doesn't come easy. You can do it, and I believe in you. But you gotta believe in yourself. So in the next couple of videos is gonna be believing in yourself. We're gonna be talking about why that is very important. All right? Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you need motivation to start your YouTube channel to grow your financial freedom, then definitely subscribe to the channel, man, because I have tons and tons of tips that honestly will help you grow tremendously. Things that aren't being told by majority of YouTubers. Take care, guys.